Hey lovely people, welcome. I hope you guys are all doing great. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming in and coming back, guys. I really appreciate it, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. You need to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Head over to my Instagram, guys, and follow me over there too. And guys, let's just get straight into this video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to apply your eyelashes properly, guys. Very easy to understand, and anyone, literally anybody, can apply their eyelashes. And I feel like this way of applying eyelashes is the quickest and easiest way for me, and in my opinion, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do mine, and hopefully from that you guys will know how to apply your eyelashes quickly. Because I remember when I first started to apply eyelashes, guys, I used to just, it was a big struggle, guys. It was such a big struggle. But now, literally, guys, it can take me 10 seconds to apply my eyelashes, gosh. So guys, you're gonna need 4 things. That's all you're gonna need, just 4 things, guys. Your eyelashes, of course, tweezers, guys, glue. I normally use the hair bonding glue, and a mirror. Those are the only 4 things you're going to need. Some people can apply eyelashes with their fingertips. I can't. I use tweezers, and I feel like I use tweezers because it's longer. Like, I feel like my fingertips is too close to my eye, and it's bigger as well. My fingers are obviously fatter, so it's like I can't really get in there. Whereas with the tweezers, they're longer, they're slimmer, and it's just easy to, like, you know, to navigate. I don't know. It's easier to apply with tweezers, but you know, everyone's different. But I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my eyelashes with tweezers, guys. So guys, these are the tweezers I use. If you look closely, guys, you can see that my tweezers are not completely straight. It has the more sharp bit over here at the edge over there, guys. And these are the type of tweezers that I like, guys. I have so many different types of tweezers, guys, but this is the only one I use. Like, literally, I use this to pluck my wigs. I use this to apply my eyelashes, because these tweezers are so sharp as well. I've had these tweezers for so many years. I bought them from Superdrug. If not Superdrug, then Boots. I can't remember which one of the two, but I remember buying it from one of those places anyway. I bought it years ago in Margate. No, is it Margate or Moorgate? Moorgate, the Moorgate that's in central London. Yeah, that's where I bought it from, guys, years ago. And I've had it like this. If I lose this, I feel like I've lost my soul. Like, that's how I feel, guys. I can't lose my tweezers. So guys, and bonding glue. This is the bonding glue I have, and the only reason why I've got this thread on the bonding glue is because I think I was traveling and I needed to yes, I know why. I was traveling when I was traveling to Congo. You know, when you get to Congo, guys, you kind of have to stitch your wig to your head, otherwise someone can just snatch it. Because I do hair as well, guys, I didn't want to carry the thread because my thread is huge, so I wasn't going to carry that, so I just tied this around this, and that's why the thread's right there. But yeah, I use bonding glue, the ones that you get from the hair shop, guys. My eyelashes are really old, so I don't have the packaging for my eyelashes, guys, so I'm not going to show you where I got my eyelashes from, but this technique can be used on any eyelash, guys. So yeah, so we're just going to get started, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. Because my my bonding glue, the glue doesn't come out from here. So I have to open it, guys. And I get scared of, like, I really do get scared of letting the glue come out. I get scared of letting the glue come out from here with my eyelashes, because I just feel like too much will come out, and I don't want to have any accidents, guys. So I don't do that. What I do is I get the tip of my tweezer and get some glue out. Oh, this glue. get some glue out like this, guys, and then I apply it like this. I hope you guys can see. Apply the glue on there, guys. I try and apply not too much but not too little also. So then I just get my tweezer and I hold it there. So I'll just show you guys how much glue I've applied. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully. Yes, so, and then what I do is I blow it a little bit. And then I get my mirror. You can use a really small mirror if you want to. I'm using one of these big ones here. You can use a really, you know, those small ones that come with your powder. You can if you want, but yeah, so you have your mirror like this and you look down. So you have your mirror like this, guys, and you look down, yeah? Because when you look down, your eyes look like they're open. You see when you're looking up like this and you're trying to apply here, you can't see what's going on behind your you can't really see what's going on in your lid. So when you look down, you can see your lid better. So what I do is I look downwards like this. So this one's for this eye. So I'm gonna start with my left eye. So I tend to bring my eyelash as close as where I want to apply the eyelash. So in this case, I'm gonna bring it like there and then drop it and hold it for like a couple of seconds so that it stays. And then because I'm right-handed and I'm trying to fix my left eyelash, I kind of have to go across and bring the mirror upwards like this to get it in. See that, guys? And then I stick this corner bit there, literally, and then I stick my eyelash, then I stick the eyelash like that. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna stick the eyelash like that, looking down. So I get the eyelash and I just press it using my tweezers. And I just make sure you're pressing it well, guys. But don't press it roughly, be gentle. And that's it, this one's done, guys. So I'm gonna do the same thing again and blow it. Blowing it basically just makes it tacky so that when you apply it, it just kind of like sticks and stays on. So get your mirror again, eyelash, and bring it close to where you want to apply it. And I apply it over my eyelash and not under. And it's easier for me to do my right eye because I'm right-handed. So I just stick to it. I have to literally, when it comes to my right eye, I have to keep the mirror down because I'm right-handed. And that's it. And then I just stick them together, my natural eyelash and the false eyelashes. I'm just gluing them together, that's it really. And that's it, guys. Very simple, guys. Guys, there's no way, guys, after watching this video, guys, there's no way you don't know how to do your eyelashes now. You know how to do your eyelashes. You're a pro now. Like, it doesn't take long. It doesn't take long at all, guys. It took me like 10 seconds to do this one and 10 seconds to do this one. If your eyes feel a bit irritated, just take it off and do it again, because the irritation doesn't really stop, and then you just get your eyes watery, and then that just messes up your whole makeup. So if you feel your eyes it feels a bit irritated, you feel a bit like your eyes is irritating, or you know, just take it off and do it again. There's literally no rush, guys. And that's it, guys. Look, that's it. Look. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, guys. I really appreciate that, guys, and I hope you guys have learned something from this video, guys. Please leave your comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are liking this type of content, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, guys. It's very important to subscribe, guys, so that my channel can grow. Head over to my Instagram and follow me over there too. I'd really appreciate that, guys, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.